Welcome to Viewpoint 360. After 18 months of pandemic hit and economy suffering miserably, slowly the Indian economy is bouncing back, and it is a good news for all of us. As per the report published in Deccan Chronicle today, that is 1st December Deccan Chronicle, so the report says that economy springs back to normalcy, and it has registered a growth rate of 8.4%. The report says, powered by robust manufacturing and services demand, a low base and record vaccination coverage, India's economy or gross domestic product grew by 8.4% during the second quarter of this financial year, which is better than the RBI forecast of 7.9% per growth percent growth. Actually, RBI has expected that India will register or will achieve 7.9%, but Indian economy has performed beyond the expectation, beyond the predictions of RBI. And the report also says GDP at constant 2011 and 12 prices in quarter 2 2021 to 22 is estimated at rupees 35.73 lakh crores as against rupees 32.97 lakh crores in quarter 2 of 2021, that is previous financial year, showing a growth of 8.4%, said a statement by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. The spurt in GDP growth in this quarter is seen mainly due to the stupendous growth in key sectors like agriculture, mining, manufacturing, electricity and water supply, transport, communication and real estate. In fact, all these sectors have contributed well, and these sectors have boosted Indian economy. The bounce back in economic activity is also led by an improvement in consumer sentiment due to waning COVID infections and rising vaccination rates and the lifting of COVID-related restrictions. The official data Tuesday also showed that the economy has surpassed pre-COVID level. In fact, for all of us, it's a good news. GDP growth in the April-June quarter this fiscal year stood at 20.1%. The Indian economy had contracted by 24.4% in April-June the previous financial year. Among the key drivers, private consumption played a major role in GDP growth. Money spent for private final consumption grew by rupees 19.48 lakh crores in the quarter under review. And in fact, this played a crucial role in boosting Indian economy. As private consumption constituted the bulk of GDP, it rose by nearly 8.6% in the second quarter, indicating that consumer sentiment is gradually reviving after the debilitating impact of the second wave of COVID-19. The other key driver was infrastructure growth, which saw 7.5% raise in October this year. The data released by the ministry also showed that the agriculture sector grew by 4.5% in the second quarter compared to the 3% in the same period last year. The manufacturing sector, which contracted by 1.5% in the quarter 2 of financial year 2021, staged a robust comeback with a growth of 5.5% in the second quarter. Economists, however, feel that despite the stupendous growth, there is also a room for improvement in private investment and consumer sentiment. The economy had seen record growth of 20.1% in the last quarter, that is from April to June, compared with the same period last year when a national lockdown was implemented due to the COVID-19 pandemic had almost halted all the economic activities. In fact, this is a major step or forward step we can see. The construction sector, GVA, grew by 7.5% compared to a degrowth of 7.2% earlier. The mining sector grew by 15.4% as against contraction of 6.5%. Electricity, gas, water supply and other utility services segment posted a growth of 8.9% in the second quarter of this fiscal year against 2.3% expansion a year ago. Financial real estate professional services growth stood at 7.8% in quarter 2 of financial year 2022 compared to a contraction of 9.1%. Public administration, defense and other services grew at 17.4% during the quarter under review compared to 9.2% contraction a year earlier. In fact, when we look at this reports, it is a good sign, and we hope that Indian economy survives and progresses more in future too. Thank you for watching. This is Durga Airgutta signing off.